Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. I'm pumped. Today we are going to be unboxing Dell's Pro Active Noise Cancelling headset, the WH5024. Now, if you saw my video from a few weeks ago, I talked about Dell's 3000 series headset. This is the WH3024, moving to the WH5024, which is in my hands here. You're going to see more premium design, optimal sound quality. You're going to see also, from a headset perspective, the boom mic can be discreetly tucked away. There's a ton of innovation that's packed in this wired headset, the WH5024. Let's take a look. So we've got the headset over here. Let's jump in, the WH5024. Pull the seal. Tuck that away. You ready? Sweet. So there is a carrying case, which is great to see. I'll put this over here just for a quick second. You will see the quick start guide, warranty, safety, environmental and regulatory information. You can go ahead and place this down. And that's it from a box perspective. This case is pretty sweet. I love the fact that it is branded. It feels fantastic. Let's pull that aside. And the drum roll. Oh man. This is pretty sweet. So the wire is tucked nicely away in here. Place that aside. This feels awesome. This carrying case. Ooh. So you will see that it is USB Type-C connectivity. You do have a dongle going from Type-C to Type-A if you don't have a free port. You will see that there is an inline control center where you can turn your volume up, volume down, pick up, bring up Teams, and mute your mic. So a lot of control right at your fingertips. And now the headset itself. Ooh-wee. Let's go up top and take a look. Oh, super comfortable. I love how you can discreetly tuck away the boom mic. And because it's got active noise canceling technology, it's going to filter out a lot of that environmental noise that you would hear. Showing it to you on camera. It does have leatherettes that are replaceable. You will see a pretty sleek two-tone design. The designers have really done an incredible job. Super light. You know, if you're wearing it on your head, you barely notice it's there. The boom mic can be discreetly tucked away. Let's do a demo. We'll get this plugged into a system and check out Dell Peripheral Manager and some of the other functionality. I've got the headset plugged into my system over here. Let's load Dell Peripheral Manager for the first time. You'll see it's bringing up the feature set, right? So for active noise canceling technology, I toggle that on. You will see volume up, volume down, and some of the other buttons. Let's go ahead and click next. Moving the mic up and down will mute your mic itself. Let's go ahead and click finish. So you will see that I am hardwired into the device, so you're not dealing with Bluetooth or wireless. There is a wireless headset, the WL5024. We'll do an unboxing on that next week. From an audio perspective, you will see some options here. So controlling the amount of noise that you hear, So if you want some of the ambient noise to go through, you can click transparency. If I want ANC, which will cut out your surrounding noise, and already on my mic, you can really tell that ANC is activated. And then if I wanted to turn that off, you do have the button on the headset and be able to toggle that. From a audio mode perspective, collaboration or multimedia, and then from a multimedia perspective, bass boost, speech boost, treble, custom. You do have a full EQ where you can adjust the settings there. And then from a device perspective, you do have the busy light indicator that will work when you're in a conference call. If it's red, hey, don't disturb me. And then voice guidance. So if you adjust any of the settings there, you can see and hear kind of what's going on at the device perspective. So transparency, again, looking at the little information there allows the ambient sound to be heard, adjust the volume of ambient sound that you let in. So you put it on level 1 all the way to 5, and then active noise canceling, which is basically one of the key feature sets of our 5000 series itself. So, I am coming to you on this particular headset, so you're getting a example of what you would actually experience if you were on the other end. So for purposes of an audio test, filtering out some of that background noise, I got a video of dogs barking playing over here, but hopefully for purposes of the video, it's coming through crystal clear. And what I mean by that is you're not seeing some of the background noise that's happening with the dog barking. It is fairly loud, distracting to me, but from an audio experience perspective, you aren't seeing that or hearing it. So really the AI noise cancellation as well as the ANC is really leading to an optimal audio experience. So over here is the 5000 series headset, from a leather memory foam ear cushion perspective. Definitely a lot bigger than the 3000 series when you look at them side by side. The mic, as I mentioned, can be discreetly tucked away. So giving you really that incognito feel. Looking at the inline controls, you will see an ANC button over here. Pretty similar to the 3000 outside of that button, right? When you look at them side by side. This is a 3000 series, right? When you look at size of the ear cushions, they are replaceable, friendly reminder. But that is it. This is the Dell Pro wired ANC headset. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care.